Hey guys, what is up? My name is Nexus, and today we are here for episode 1, or not really episode 1, but I'm going to be making a montage for my friend. It's a pretty short montage. I already did it, but I forgot to record it, so I'm going to have to redo it now. So, we got the videos right here. Here's the first video. Alright, so there you go. You got a good glimpse of the first video. And so basically I'm going to go by frame here, and how you go by frame is use J and L to skip between frames. And I'm going to go right here, and then you could either right click and use split or just M, whichever one. And then we're gonna keep doing this till then we're gonna go right here about right there seems good. So of course M, remove, and then this is the second part. Okay, not too shabby. And then oops, no. And then we're going to get rid of the video volume because we're gonna go ahead and throw music over. Hey, and now let's see, it's the second part. Alright, yeah. So this second clip right here. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and play. Stop it right here. Go back a few frames. Right here. Split it. Remove. Oh gosh, what did I do? Remove. There we go. And then play. Let that play through. Okay, and then right here, we're going to go ahead and split it again, and then play on through till right here, and then bring it back a few clips because we don't want them zooming in because that just looked weird. This is probably going to look weird anyway. But so here's this clip. Bam. Bam, A. And then we're going to go ahead and split it right there. Remove this last clip, so this clip's going to end up looking like this. And then we will add in the third clip. Oh gosh. I believe in you, movie maker. You can download this file. Well, I'll be back once the file is downloaded. I'm back. The file just uploaded, and I just noticed that I didn't even put this one into my original montage, so I guess it's a good thing I went through and made this video, or else I would have completely forgot about this video. So here's this clip. You need to look up in the top left corner to see, but it's there. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and split that and remove. Then we're gonna go through and watch it again because I need to skip something or remove something. Okay, so what? Okay. Guess we get to rewatch other clips. Okay. So basically I'm just gonna speed a clip up instead of so actually, you know what? Alright, so right there, we are gonna split and then play, and then go back a few frames, bam, split it again, and instead of cutting this one out, we're just gonna make the speed like 2. So let's see. No, faster. It's got to be faster. 4. That 4 should be fine. Okay, play. Yep, there we go. And then this little part, like while he's waiting, we're gonna go ahead and split it until he decides to kill the next guy. Okay, so right there, we're gonna split it again. And then, alright, so this section, again, we're going to make 4. So it'll look like this. And then, as you know, we cut off that little part. And then it ends off in this one. Yeah. Okay. So now that that's done, of course, we need to get rid of the video volume. Bam. Bam. Okay, so once we're done getting rid of the video volume, I believe we can finally, oh yeah, before we get the effects added, we need to add the music. So let's scroll up really quick. Bam, add the music. It's right there. And then it's like, I want it to start at 56.10 or something like that. Let's see where that starts us. It's way too early. Right now I'm just finding the right spot to start the music. Oh wait, did I start it too late? Let's do 50.10. Uh-oh. I feel like it's bad that I don't know where to start. And you know, we're gonna undo this, and I'm gonna stop the recording really quick, and I'll be back once I find the perfect spot to start. I'm back again, and I found the perfect spot for the music to start. It's at 54.53, and basically what I tend to do is I tend to do fade in for the music slow, and then fade out slow. And then now we can finally start adding effects. Alright, so basically what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to do like a little ripple effect. You'll see once I find the perfect spot. So when does he start firing? Right there. So we're gonna go and split that, go to visual effects, and we're gonna go to, where is it? Nope. Let's go down one. Hey, that's a ripple, but it's not the right ripple. Nope. Oh yeah, this is the right one. Hey, so actually I split the wrong thing. I split the music. So we're gonna start the ripple right here. Now let's split this. Give this no effect, and then we're gonna give this a ripple effect, so it's gonna look something like this. Hey, and we're gonna actually have to undo that until, there we go. So he fires right there. Once again, we're gonna split. This has no effect. The only reason I had to backspace all of that is because I actually split the music and it made it sound all weird. So anyway, where's the 3D ripple? Is this it? Nope. I hate this so much. I hate having to find the effects. Hey, there we go. So it'll look like this. And then actually, visual effects. We're looking for the flash. Hey, so it'll look like this. Oh gosh, it's at the very end, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Hey, well, actually, that's okay, because I was gonna make it fade to white over there anyway. Anyway, here's the fade to white, right? Yeah. Alright, so now it'll look something like this. Oh gosh, what was that? I don't have the ripple effect, do I? Of course not. Nope. This is the one. No. This is the one. Nope. No. It's that's warp. I'm looking for a ripple. I hate this part about Movie Maker. Nope. Okay, down one. Hey, so I'm looking for the 3D ripple. Where is the 3D ripple? Oh, there it is. Alright, now let's look at the final product. Alright, so it'll look something like that. Not too shabby, not the best. Actually, we're gonna add just warp in there. So let's just skip to this. So it'll look like that. And then on this one, okay, alright. So we need to look for the bullet. So right there. So bam, 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 bam. So right there. We're gonna split it. Go ahead all the way down to the bottom. Look for the 3D warp again. Oh my gosh. Or 3D ripple. 3D ripple. There we go. So this one will look something like this. Okay, so that'll look like that. And then we'll keep this the same. And then there's not really much else to add in for like ripple effects or stuff like that. I guess for when he like shoots this guy. So I guess for this one we could go ahead and click M, add in this effect, and then go ahead and wait, what? Okay. Why won't you go in the beginning? Alright, so we're gonna split it to right here, split, remove. Actually, no. The other one looked pretty nice. So to something like that, and then we could do where is it? Visual effects, fade to black. So on this one we could do, nah, but I don't want it like that. So for this one we'll do animations, go down 4 to this one, and it'll look something like this. I don't know what I just did right there, but it's okay, because it doesn't really matter what we do. And then on this one, I like to add in some sort of transition because it just looks nice. This one's my favorite for that part. So like this. It just makes it really smooth, I think at least. And bam. That is the montage, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and you can see the finish of the montage in full screen tomorrow, I guess, or later today, because it's 1 a.m. So yeah, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and there will be more of these, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Guys, this is the final product of the montage. So yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed this video once again, and have a good day. See ya.